It's about like this.
Okay, guys, this is an orb weaver. It may look small, but it's huge.
Just put your phone near it.
Yeah, no. Yeah, look, I'll get you guys closer. Look at that thing. Look how big that is.
It's not actually that big on the camera.
Yeah, not on the camera, but in
Dude,
real
look
life.
at that dude's freaking face. Look,
It's a female.
Look at
It's
her
pregnant.
face.
Eh, we don't know that.
Yeah,
I don't
but look,
know
it
much
has a freaking
about it.
face.
It's pregnant. My mom's a spider expert.
That's what that orb weaver had just done.
Yeah.
Oh, look, now she's sitting back in, waiting for another
Guys,
one.
want to feed her on camera?
No, I think she's just waiting for that thing to
Bruh.
die.
Bruh.
We can feed it. I mean, if you want.
Josh, gotta give a little action to the camera.
Is there any up there? I don't see. Oh, I see a little one. We want
It's
the big
inside
ones.
of it.
No, we want the big ones.
It's inside of it, look.
Any big one?
There's one right there.
Yeah, but he's little.
Holy fuck balls. I think that's our daddy orb weaver.
Where?
Right there.
Oh yeah, that's a oh wait. Hold on, let me.
That looks like our daddy orb weaver
Ooh,
there.
the daddy son. Wait, oh.
That's a different kind of orb weaver.
Let me see it.
That one's different.
Yeah, don't got the fuzzy
Different
bit.
colors.
Don't got the fuzzy bit.
You don't got.
I'm gonna name this one fuzzy bit.
Look,
Josh.
looking on that. Oh. Damn.
Touch fan. Oh, Kaylin.
Huh?
Josh, Kaylin.
Oh shit. Hi. Well, okay.
Said, ooh.
What?
Mama said, ooh. But I
What?
said, fuzzy butt. That's that orb weaver's name. Fuzzy butt.
Oh shit. Alright, I'm gonna end this video here on this beautiful spider.
I'm waiting for him to get